Hello everyone, myself Monica. Today I am going to explain about types of flat plates. Non-conventional energy resources are gaining prominence in today's world. Flat plate collectors play a crucial role in harnessing renewable energy. This presentation explores various types of flat plates in non-conventional energy resources. Solar flat plate collector. Solar energy is abundant and easily accessible. Solar flat plate collectors are widely used to capture solar energy. It consists of a black-ended flat plate covered with a transparent glass or plastic cover. The plate absorbs sunlight and converts it into heat, and it is used for water heating, space heating, and solar cooking. A solar flat plate collector is a device used to absorb sun's energy and convert it into heat, typically for use in space or water heating systems. It is one of the most common types of solar collectors used in residential and commercial applications. The typical solar flat plate collector consists of a flat metal or polymer plate that is covered with a dark colored absorber material, such as a selective coating or a black paint, to absorb the sun's heat. The plate is then placed in a shallow box made up of metal or polymer with a glass cover on top to trap the heat inside. When sunlight strikes the collector, the absorber material absorbs the energy and converts it into heat, which is transferred to a fluid flowing through tubes or channels that are attached to the back of the absorber plate. The fluid, which is typically a liquid such as water or an antifreeze solution, then carries the heat to a storage tank or directly to a heating system. Solar flat plate collectors are efficient, reliable, and relatively low cost compared to other types of solar collectors. They can be used in a variety of climates and are particularly well suited for heating water in residential and commercial buildings. Thermoelectric flat plate collector. A thermoelectric flat plate collector is a type of solar collector that uses thermoelectric materials to convert heat directly into electricity. It is a relatively new and emerging technology that has the potential to be used in variety of applications such as waste heat recovery and solar power generation. A thermoelectric flat plate collector typically consists of a flat metal plate with a thermoelectric material attached to it. When the plate is exposed to heat, such as from the sun or from waste heat generated by industrial process, a temperature gradient is created across the thermoelectric material. This gradient causes an electrical current to flow through the material, generating electricity. Thermoelectric materials are typically made from semiconductor materials such as bismuth telluride that have a high thermoelectric conversion efficiency. They are also relatively inexpensive and can be produced in large quantities. One advantage of thermoelectric flat plate collectors is that they do not require any moving parts or external power sources, making them low maintenance and easy to install. They are also capable of generating electricity from a wide range of temperatures, making them well suited for waste heat recovery applications. However, thermoelectric materials currently have a low conversion efficiency compared to other types of solar collectors, such as photovoltaic panels. Researchers are actively working to improve the efficiency of thermoelectric materials and to develop new applications for this technology. Peltier plate cooler. A Peltier plate collector is a type of thermoelectric flat plate collector that uses the Peltier effect to convert heat directly into electricity. It is named after Jean-Charles Athanas Peltier, a French physicist who discovered the effect in 1834. A Peltier plate collector consists of two thermoelectric plates made from semiconductor materials such as bismuth telluride that are sandwiched together with a thin layer of metal. When an electric current is applied to the plates, one side becomes hot and other side becomes cold, creating a temperature gradient across the plates. This gradient causes heat to flow from one side to the other, generating electricity in the process. Peltire plate collectors are typically small and compact, making them well suited for portable applications and for use in microelectronics. They are also capable of generating electricity from a wide range of temperatures, from a few degrees above absolute zero to several hundred degrees Celsius. One advantage of Peltier plate collectors is that they can be used for both cooling and power generation applications. For example, they can be used to cool electronic components while generating electricity from the waste heat that is removed. However, Peltier plate collectors have a low conversion efficiency compared to other types of solar collectors and are not yet widely used for large scale power generation. Researchers are actively working to improve the efficiency of thermoelectric materials and to develop the new applications for this technology. Flat plate wind turbine. A flat plate wind turbine is a type of wind turbine that uses a flat plate or bladeless design to capture the energy from the wind. Unlike traditional wind turbines that have rotating blades, a flat plate wind turbine has a stationary plate or set of plates that are positioned perpendicular to the wind direction. The plate or plates of a flat plate wind turbine are typically made from lightweight materials such as polymers or composites and are designed to be aerodynamically efficient. As the wind flows over the surface of the plate, it creates a pressure difference between the front and back of the plate, which causes the plate to vibrate or oscillate. This oscillation is then converted into electricity using a piezoelectric or electromagnetic generator. Flat plate wind turbines have a number of advantages over traditional wind turbines. They are quieter, less visually obtrusive, and have fewer moving parts, which reduces maintenance requirement. They are also capable of capturing wind energy from a wider range of wind speeds and directions, making them well suited for urban or other confined spaces. However, flat plate wind turbines currently have a lower efficiency compared to traditional wind turbines and they are not yet widely used for large scale power generation. Researchers are actively working to improve the efficiency and performance of flat plate wind turbines and to develop new applications for this technology. Hydrokinetic flat plate turbine. A hydrokinetic flat plate turbine is a type of turbine that uses the flow of water in rivers, tidal currents, or ocean currents to generate electricity. Unlike traditional hydroelectric turbines that are typically installed in dams or other large scale water infrastructure, hydrokinetic turbines can be installed in free flowing water without the need for a dam or other infrastructure. A hydrokinetic flat plate turbine consists of a flat plate or set of plates that are positioned perpendicular to the flow of water. As the water flows over the surface of the plate, it creates a pressure difference between the front and back of the plate, which causes the plate to rotate. This rotation is then used to generate the electricity using a generator. Hydrokinetic flat plate turbines have a number of advantages over traditional hydrokinetic turbines. They can be installed in variety of water environments including rivers, tidal currents and ocean currents, making them a versatile technology. They also have a fewer environmental impacts compared to traditional hydroelectric dams, which can disrupt river ecosystems and fish populations. However, hydrokinetic flat plates or turbines currently have a lower efficiency compared to traditional hydroelectric turbines and they can be subjected to damage from debris or other objects in the water. Researchers are actively working to improve the efficiency and durability of hydrokinetic flat plate turbines and to develop new applications for this technology. By this, I conclude that flat plate collectors are versatile and effectively in harnessing non-conventional energy. Solar flat plate collectors are commonly used for solar heating applications. Thermoelectric and Peltier plate collectors convert temperature differences into electricity or cooling. Flat plate wind turbines and hydrokinetic turbines generate power from wind and turbine. Continued research and developments in flat plate technology will drive the growth of non conventional energy resources. Thank you.